In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up TESS for the BC data collection requirements and show how to request PEN numbers for new students. We begin by going to Specials, BC, BC Setup, and School Setup. Make sure the report date is set to the first day of the school year, for example, September 8th, 2020. Then enter the ministry code for your school. Click Look Up School to find your school code. First, select your school district from the list. Then find your school name in the list. If you don't see your school in the list, contact the ministry to get your school code, or contact us to make sure the list is up to date. Then fill in your contact name and other details for the school. Next, under the Defaults tab, you can fill in the default settings for the BC 1701, 1704, and TRACS data collection requirements. For example, you can set the primary language to 943 for English and the number of courses for 8. You can also set the birth province and country and the province, country, and citizenship code for TRACS. Note that in TRACS, most students are now using the 2018 graduation requirements. Click Save. There will be a separate video available shortly which goes into more detail about entering the 1701, 1704, and TRACS data. For now, we'll go through the process of generating a PEN request file for new students in your school. Go to Specials, BC, Data Transfer. Under the 1701 tab, click Create PEN Request File. Save the PEN request file on your desktop or in a folder where you can find it later. Note that the name of your PEN file is the same as your school number. Click Save. We want to create a PEN request file for only those students who do not have a PEN number assigned yet, so click No to only include students who do not have a PEN number. Then select All Currently Enrolled Students as of today and click OK. Then TESS will create a file with all of the students. Now you can go to the ministry's website and upload the PEN request file. Once uploaded, you will get a notification that the file has been received, and you can download a file from the website which contains the new PEN numbers. To load the new PEN numbers into TESS, download the new file from the ministry's website and save it to your desktop. Then in TESS, go to Specials, BC, Data Transfer, and under the 1701 tab, choose Read PEN Number File. Select the PEN number file you received from the ministry website. The file is usually a text file ending with either TXT or STD. TESS will read in the PEN number file and assign the numbers to your students. You can then go to the Student Data tab and see the PEN numbers that have been assigned. There will be a separate video available later which goes into more detail about entering the 1701, 1704, and TRACS data.